Mastering social gatherings, the charm of a garden party. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a delightful phrase that embodies both social gathering and outdoor enjoyment. Have a garden party. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these phrases enriches your language skills and cultural insight. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of this charming expression together. A garden party is essentially an outdoor social event held in a garden or a backyard, typically during the afternoon. This phrase conjures images of guests mingling amidst flower beds, sipping tea or lemonade, and enjoying light snacks or a buffet. The atmosphere is relaxed yet festive, often with a touch of elegance or casual sophistication. Garden parties can celebrate various occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or simply the pleasure of good company and the beauty of nature. In many English-speaking countries, especially the UK, garden parties are a cherished tradition, especially in spring and summer. They reflect a love for outdoor living and socializing in a more natural, relaxed setting. Beyond just a social gathering, garden parties can have cultural, social, or even political significance, serving as a venue for charity events, official receptions, or community gatherings. It's a way to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while engaging in polite conversation, games, and communal activities. When you say you're going to have a garden party, you're indicating not just the event itself but also your role as the host. It involves planning, inviting guests, and possibly deciding on a theme or dress code. English learners can use this phrase in various contexts, such as making plans with friends, "We should have a garden party this summer," or in more formal invitations, "You are cordially invited to have a garden party at the Smith residence." To broaden your English vocabulary, here are a few related phrases that also describe social gatherings. Throw a party, a more general term for hosting a social event. Hold a reception, typically refers to a formal gathering, often after a wedding or official event. Organize a get-together, a casual term for arranging a meeting with friends or family. Understanding these phrases not only helps in everyday conversation but also in appreciating the nuances of English social contexts. And that wraps up our journey through the delightful world of garden parties. We hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also inspired you to either host or attend a garden party when the opportunity arises. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and traditions that come with the language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Happy learning, and perhaps, happy planning for your next garden party.